Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show you quickly how you can design a YouTube thumbnail. This is going to be a very quick video. Just thought I might as well show you guys quickly and how to do that. So this is the Canva app, and so basically what I've done is I've typed on the search bar. This is the home. This is the home page, and on the search bar you simply need to type YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. And depending on what type of thumbnail you're looking to do, you can type YouTube thumbnail for, let's say for example, for digital products. Click on the search, and there you go. You have different templates, different ways, different templates on how on depending on the one you're looking to use, depending on the one you like. So as you can see, there are some with the pro and there are some that are free to use. I'll be leaving a link on the description or on the comments if you haven't got a Canva app yet. You can click on the link to set up one for yourself. Canva is such a lifesaver. You have so many things. I'll be having a series on different things you can do on Canva. I'll be setting up a series soon on the different models and different things you can do using the Canva app. This is just one of them, setting up a YouTube thumbnail. And now so depending on what you're looking to do, so in my own case I've typed digital product. So let's use this as an example. Get that one. And all you basically need to do is type how to create so you can see this, it says customize this template. You click on that one and it takes you through further steps on how you can do it. As you can see, when I click on the words, it gives me option to edit them or to either take them away. If I click on the picture, it gives me option to take it away. So you have the different avenue on how you can create your own thumbnail to your likes. So I'm not going to edit this for now. Let's say that's everything I've edited everything I needed to do, and all you need to do next is to click on this button here that says upload, and you click on the one on this button here that says download. And depending on if you have the paid Canva, if you're on the paid app, you can make use of the SVG, PDF print and everything. But if you haven't got the paid Canva app, then you won't be able to use some of the items described here. So all you need to do, as you can see, it says PNG suggested. You click on the PNG, you download, and there you are. It's downloading for you. Completed. You open the file, and there you go. As I said, I'll be making more videos on various things you can use the Canva app to do. Thank you everyone for staying tuned. This is just a quick video, and do not forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.